Hey guys, it is me, Simone. In this video, we're going to review the Scrapbook.com hybrid inks. Let's get started. So Scrapbook.com released some hybrid inks, and I'm very excited to review them for you and give you my honest opinion. Of course. The hybrid inks that Scrapbook.com released, I think, are replacing their Umbrella Craft inks. I have checked the website from umbrellacraft.com, and it says they're still partnered with Scrapbook.com, and that their inks are sold exclusively on the website. So if you do have some Umbrella Craft inks, you might not be able to get any refills at this moment in time. I'll keep checking in because I do want to get refills for some of my colors because I love my Umbrella Craft inks, but things happen. Moving on to the Scrapbook.com hybrid inks. These are hybrid inks, which means they are a between dye and pigment inks. Hybrid inks normally are pigment-based ink that dries like a dye ink. I'll leave some videos below if you want to get a better detailed explanation on what the difference is between a dye, a hybrid, and a pigment ink. Okay? So the collection comes with 51 colors, which includes a dye black and a pigment white, which I do not have. In the collection too, you can get these colors individually, or you can get them in color families, or you can get the entire full set. Color families normally range from about 3 to like 4 colors, ink pads in each color family, which would be great for layering stamps that you can give nice crisp designs, and you have colors that will go together without any fussing and trying to see if these colors will, match. The next thing I like about these is because they are on scrapbook.com, which means you can get them on sale and get good discounts. These retail value price is $6.50 at the moment in time that I'm recording this video, which is the 24th of January. These right now are $4.99, and the refills are $3.60. Another cool thing about these is that they are printed labels, so you can see the color, and they have little labels in the back, so you can see the color again, and some information about hybrid inks, and even tells you that they are flavor resistant, acid free, and archival safe, and work with any water-based inks and watercolors. I have tried these with alcohol inks, and they do work pretty well. Just make sure they're completely dry before you start. Next, we go to the colors I have here. I have Surfboard, Postal Blue, Crushed Velvet, Pear, Caribbean, Midnight Blue, Candy Shop Pink, Cardinal Red, Breezing Purple, Autumn Leaves, Mermaid, Pink Flamingo, Hybrid Black, Dye Black, and Pine. Another cool thing about these ink pads is that you can take off the lid and you can put it on the back, snap it into place, and have a better or thicker surface to stamp on because the base is really thin. Alright, so all the colors I have, I played around with these, and they do stamp and blend and really well, and I have no problems with them. The few problems I have, I'm going to go over them right now. My first problem with these is that the light colors are too light. As I showed you my kind of swatches over here, these are swatched from a Prima stamp set, and my Pink Flamingo and my Caribbean are really light. These are the lightest colors of their collection. This is the Rose one, and this is the Cyan one. They're really light. Caribbean is not as bad. I have blended like ink backgrounds with this, and it worked pretty well, and you could see it much better than you can, I think, right here. But I did put out a lot of ink, okay? But Pink Flamingo, I just can't get to work. I've even swatched it out right here, but you guys really can't tell now, can you? So that's my big complaint. I've seen other people complain about this too on the scrapbook.com website. Some of these light colors are just too light to be useful and just to be a color. I mean, I can see it kind of in person, but my camera is not picking it up. Another thing I don't like is that they are printed labels. I said that it's something about them I mentioned. I don't like printed labels because these can easily scratch off. Actually, look, I already scratched part of it off right then. Oopsie. That to me is kind of annoying because I wear through my stamps and my ink pads and all my products. I want to get my fair use, and just to be able to just really with no effort scratch off part of the P for premium dye ink, it's kind of like a little nerve-wracking. I don't want to lose the name of the color just because of I accidentally put it down kind of hard. You know, I do wish they were stickers and not printed. Another thing about that printed label is that for certain dark colors, like this one, this is my midnight blue, it's really hard to read. My camera is not picking this up. You're just seeing black and like some blue spots. Yeah. I labeled all my ink pads, which I normally do anyways, but still, this issue would not happen if they just have a sticker label and not printed. And I think since they are similar, I think these are similar to the Alta New Stamps ink pads. Sorry, I keep saying stamp pads, ink pads. I think Alta New did switch over to paper labels, and I think they should too. Another con I have with these ink pads here is that the lid is really hard to get off. My fingers are really thick, and since the base is so thin, it's hard for me to separate. Most of the time, I have to put my nails in, separate them to give me some extra help. A lot of times, I am just passing by the lid and just struggling a little bit. It's not fun. Especially since I want these ink pads not to dry out, so I want to make sure the lid's on there tight and firm, but I still struggle trying to get it off. I wish it had a lip like some other stamp pads, ink pads, I'm telling you how. Like this one's really easy to get off. This is a Trust Oxide. Even my Umbrella Craft inks have a little bit of a lip here that I can easily get off with a nail or just my fingers actually. So I wish that was a little different. Maybe have some grips or something, because it's just very smooth plastic. So if your hands are a little bit wet or something, this is going to be a pain to get off. Another thing I do not like about these colors is well, it really is the hybrid black ink, because it's not black. It's a gray color. I did some swatches and let me show you. Can you guess which one is the hybrid black? Can you? 5 seconds. Yeah, it's right here. This is gray. This is the hybrid. This is the dye black from scrapbook.com. This is the Umbrella Craft black, and this is my, I think it's my Ranger black. All these colors are black, but only 3 out of 4 are actually black colors, which to me kind of sucks, because I don't want a gray if I bought a black. You get what I'm saying? I want a black color. So for it to dry it like a grayish charcoal color, to me is just horrible, and I was very upset when I first got the ink pad. You can even see it over here in the swatching. That's my hybrid black. That's my dye black. Oh, that's not black. That's gray, charcoal color, like whatever you want to call it, but it's not black. So it's really annoying for me, because I noticed it without even comparing it. Some of my ink pads, like my Ranger ink pad, my black Ranger ink pad, when I stamp it out, it looks like a black color, but when I stamp it in comparison to my dye one from scrapbook.com or my Umbrella Craft, I can tell it's not as crisp of a black as these two are. But by itself, I can't tell the difference. It looks like a nice black color. But this one, when I first stamped it, I could clearly tell that it wasn't a black color. My lines are looking kind of grayish. I'll buy a gray if I want a gray. But if I buy a black, I said before, I want a black color. So that's a big con for me. I don't think I'm getting too much use out of this ink pad. I've only used it now recently to stamp out my stamps for my inventory book. But that's really about it. I just pull over this or this. But to be honest, I've been going with this. I'm definitely going to go buy myself a refill. Okay, moving on. With my colors. Another thing I will tell you guys though is that this is on me, my personal preference. So please take it with a grain of salt. You might want to try these colors yourself. But overall, I don't hate these colors. They're nice. They can have improvement like everything else in the world can. I personally would just prefer that they aren't, well, printed, with no lid, no like lip to get it off. Struggles, guys, struggles. And that the light colors of the color groups are actually usable. This ink pad is not usable. We're actually going to even show you guys. So I'm just using some Nina paper. I'm just going to get a direct ink pad. Now I'm pushing hard. Can you guys see that splotch? That's my color, guys. You see it? No, you don't. You really don't. You don't see it at all. Look at that. It's barely even there. Like, what do I do with that color? Okay. I tried. It's not really useful. So most likely what I'm going to do is get a re-inker for another color and change this color to something else. Overall though, I like the colors. I think they're great. Just some of the colors are just too light to be useful. The printed label is a little bit annoying. Getting the lid off is a little bit annoying. And then the hybrid black ink is not really black. It's like a gray color. So you just need to change the name and be perfect so no one gets confused. Will I buy more of these colors? I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. Will I buy more? I do like the colors. Some of the colors I do have, so I will buy refills for them. But I'm kind of interested in trying the caffeine Pooler ink, so I will give that a try. But at this moment in time, I'm just kind of like, I'm okay. It's not something I'm like running out to get. It's not like my umbrella craft inks. I love those things. These are okay. So I kind of sums up everything I want to say. I don't think these are bad. These are nice inks, and I definitely will play around with them and use them to their full potential. I just don't think I'll buy any more of these. That's just me though. Hope you guys found this video useful and maybe you thought about some of these ink pads. Now, as before, I do think they're nice and love the colors, but I'm not sure if I'll buy more. I'm not convinced yet. They're okay, but they're not my favorite. Nobody can replace my umbrella craft ink. I know, guys. Besides the black dye ink, that's my new favorite. Black ink now. I love that ink now. I use it all the time. Okay, guys. I hope this was helpful and gave you some nice tips and tricks, and maybe you guys got some informative information. I hope so. I don't know. It's like my 15th time trying to make this video. I keep not liking it. So, or messing up or forgetting to edit something out. Who knows? But I'll talk to you later, guys. Much love. Have a great day and get crafty. Bye.